there. So here's my take on social media. So this can apply to teenagers or to adults. But if you want to have a social media account for whatever it is, whether it's a business or just for personal pleasure, I would suggest first find something that you're passionate about. With social media, we can be easily wrapped up in like how many views we got, how many hits, so-and-so has more followers than me, what's my self-worth, I'm not good enough. A lot of things can happen to our psyche through social media and how we feel about ourselves, basing it on other people. And that's something that we don't really want to fall prey of. We don't really want to have our self-esteem damaged by social media. And it happens a lot. And it can happen a lot, especially to teenagers and to adults. So here's what I say. Find something that you're passionate about. First of all, when you're passionate with something, whether it's taking photos, whether it's cleaning, whether it's creating miniature homes, whether it's writing poetry, whether it's editing videos, whether it's sharing sports stuff, whatever it is that makes you happy, that brings you natural, authentic joy, when you find that passion, it's hard for someone to kind of knock you down or make fun of you because it's something that you enjoy doing and it makes you happy. And what makes you genuinely happy is not something that somebody can take away from you. So if you start sharing what makes you happy, whether it's on X, Twitter, whatever it's called, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, a website, whatever social media platform you choose, if you start sharing your pictures, if you start sharing videos, if you start learning and sharing, people that like that subject are just naturally going to follow you. People that like that topic, people that want to learn more about what you like, or maybe you're an expert on it, or maybe you're teaching people. People are going to follow it because it's something that genuinely makes you happy. So when you're sharing something that's authentically you, it will make you feel better. And it also helps you not rely on how many views and how many likes do I have, because you're just doing it just for fun. And if you gain a following, even better. And if you can make a business out of it, hello, much better if you can actually earn money from it. But if it's genuinely making you happy, then that's the best way to go about social media. And I would specifically say to any teenager or preteen that wants to get some kind of social media account, find what makes you happy first and share that. Because it'll also help such an impressionable mind at a young age understand that don't fall prey into how come that person has more likes than me, because they're sharing something that they enjoy. And if you don't have any kind of passion, then what are you sharing? It helps you not rely on having social media make you feel better about yourself, because you already naturally have something that makes you feel happy. So those are my tips on having a social media account.